folks, it's me again. Sorry for the lack of good audio. I can't figure out where the hell I put my microphone, so I'm stuck with this terrible phone. Today I have one of those problems that everybody gets every now and then when they go shopping. This is pretty simple. We went shopping and guess what? Somebody forgot to take a tag off. So, what is it? I watched a bunch of videos that said you could use a fork on here, 2 forks. Another one said you could use a plastic bag. Another one said use a screwdriver. So I'm going to try a screwdriver. Pop this off. And it's like bending, but I don't want to wreck the gloves. Something's going to get wrecked in here. It also said, I tried the magnet. The magnet I have is not strong. It said to take a plastic bag and put it on here. Wrap it on there. But put it in here like this. Let's see. Put it like that. And wrap it around. And wrap it around. And wrap it around. And then it's to wrap it around. Wrap it around. Wrap it around again. Is it working? I have no idea. Wrap that around here. Oh, do you pull on the bag? Then watch the whole video apparently. Come on. Good enough? No idea. Well, that's not working. You pull the bag? That doesn't want to work. What about if I try a DeWalt tool? Oh, the bag's stuck. Oh, great. Great. The bag's stuck. Let's see. Well, that's fun. The bag won't come off. Weird. Yeah, I'm having a 10-minute video on how to screw this up, huh? Well, if I get the bag in there, I'd cut it off, but what in the world is going on here? Now I got a plastic bag stuck on here. Though, we tried the bag method. Apparently there's a fork method too. So, looks like the bag method is not going to work. Shit. Well, we better cut the bag off. There we go. Bag's off. We could try. Let's go like this. I got an idea. Let's have some fun. We'll put the clothes in here. And we'll put this bag right around here. Just like so. Just like that. Okay. Cover it all up. Just like that. See? Cover this side with the bag. Then just for sharts and giggles, we'll break out the can opener. Let's see. Let's get our DeWalt. What is this again? DCS 43B can opener out and see what it does. What you want to bet this won't do anything? Let's see. Let's bend this down low so you can see what I'm doing here. Let's see. And so we don't lose a finger, we'll put on a pair of gloves just so I don't, safety first, right? Safety first. Let's see if we can have some fun with this. Oh yeah, definitely safe, don't worry. Safer than... Let's see. Well, that was... Well, DeWalt DCS can opener worked great. So now we have... Oh! Thanks to the can opener. That's a little... There we go. Lightning McQueen. Pair of gloves with a permanent... This is a bunch of plastic on it. Yeah, it's not bad. It's a little stretched. It's a little stretched in the corner right here, but... Oh well. So anyway, folks, if that happens to you, all you got to do is go out and buy one of these for about 140 bucks with a battery and just cut it off. That's all. No need to do anything else. No, don't need no forks. Don't need no bags. Just go buy a frickin' DeWalt or Milwaukee tool and chop it off. Yeah, okay. Anyway, that was the first video I had for you. Because it's always fun recording dumb shit like that. Do I have a wrinkle right here? I'm getting wrinkles. I'm getting old. I think it's caused by my CPAP machine going... Yeah. I'm getting old. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's the first video. I have a few more videos I got to make tonight. And that's it. Those who subscribe, thanks for subscribing. Click buttons and thanks for watching. I'm tired. So...